I want to use this headset for Zoom video calls. What I really love about this headset, it's a wired headset and there are no drivers to install. All you do is plug it in and it automatically gets discovered. So really, really easy. I'll just plug it in. It's USB-C. So just plug that in. And as soon as I do that, let's see how it looks in Zoom, how it connects to Zoom. So here I am in Zoom and you can see I just need to select what my audio is, the Jabra Evolve2 40 SE, that's it. And then I can start the meeting. And what I really love here is that I can mute myself just with this boom arm. There are a few ways to mute myself. Turn off reactions. Now, there are a few ways to mute yourself in Zoom. You can hit this audio button, but all I'm going to do, if I hit that audio button, that will mute me. That says muted in Zoom. But what I can also do is just mute myself this way, and I can unmute myself just like that. So you watch, mute, and now people can't hear anything from me, and then unmuted, they can hear it again. So simple to use. So that's the Jabra Evolve2 headset. If you want to get this headset to use in video calls on Zoom, then you can use my affiliate link, the Amazon link in the description below.